Hello everyone, hope you all are fine at your places. Today we will discuss exercise A11, A12, A13 and A15 of your first chapter, that is a true friend. So today let us begin with the exercise A11. In A11 what we have to do, we have to find the meanings of the idiomatic expressions. So first of all we should know what is an idiomatic expression. Idiomatic expression is a phrase or a group of words or an expression that has a meaning different from the meanings of words in the given expression. Means the literal meaning cannot be the meaning of the idiomatic expression. Let us have a look at few examples. It's raining cats and dogs. So it doesn't mean that cats and dogs are falling from the sky, but it means it's raining very hard. So the literal meaning is not the meaning of the expression. Now let's have a look at this one. A piece of cake. It doesn't mean something is very good, something is very beautiful, but it means something is very easy. So this was the meaning of this idiomatic expression. Now let's come to exercise A11. Here the first idiomatic expression is at a stone's throw. See, the meaning of at a stone's throw is something that is very near. So here the example is we stayed at a beautiful hotel just a stone's throw from the beach. Means it was near to the beach. It was very near to the beach. Next one is stone-hearted and it means cruel. Now coming to next part A12, we have to fill in the blanks with the given idiomatic expressions. So first one is the new garment store is dash from my house. So what can be the answer? Yes, at a stone's throw. Second one, Mr. Pal is dash, he does not take care of his pets. So here Mr. Pal is stone-hearted, means he is cruel and he doesn't take care of his pets. Yes, now the next one, A13. Here we have to write the words which are pronounced in the same or the similar way as the words given in the boxes. So before doing this, let us know what are homophones. So dear children, homophones are the words which have the same way of pronunciation, but they are having different meanings as well as different spellings. So they are homophones. Let us have a look at the examples now. So have a look at this one. One is WAIT, wait, and another is WEIGHT. So here WAIT means when we are waiting for somebody, हम किसी का इंतज़ार कर रहे होते हैं. And another word, wait, means बाहर. So here is WON1, another is ONE1. So WON1 means it is the past form of win, right? And ONE1 means it is the number one, ek. MAID, made. It means a person who has a job of cleaning or like this. And another is MADE, made. It means it is the past form of make. So here the example, the maid works very hard and Joe made a box out of wood. So you understand the difference between MAID and MADE clearly from the picture. WEATHER, weather. It means the atmospheric condition, मौसम जिसे हम कहते हैं. And another one is WHETHER, weather. It means choice. So here the example is the weather today is very bad or the weather today is very good. Next, I don't know whether to do it or not. So one is not able to make choice कि ये करना चाहिए या नहीं. So that is WHETHER and the atmospheric condition is WEATHER. Next one is principal, PRINCIPAL, which means the head of an institute or a school. And another one is PRINCIPLE, which means rules or सिद्धांत जिसे हम कहते हैं. So here the example is the principal at our school is very kind to the students. So here the spelling will be PAL in the end. Another one is there are a few basic principles for success. Means here the principle will be PLE at the end. So the difference is clear. Next is NO, no, and KNOW, no. Here NO is the opposite of yes, means nahi, and KNOW means मालूम होना. So I know the correct answer कि मुझे सही आंसर मालूम है. And next, no left turns are allowed on this street means इस स्ट्रीट पे left turns allowed नहीं है. So this is the difference between KNOW and NO. So this was all about the homophones, the words which are pronounced in the same way but they are having different meanings. They are homophones. Now coming to exercise A15, that is a value based question. So here the question is, what does the word sportsmanship means to you? So dear children, sportsmanship is when competitors or they treat one another with respect and they exhibit appropriate behavior. Means good sportsmanship का मतलब है when you play fair and ethical अपने teammates के साथ as well as with your opponents also. So that is the good sportsmanship. So yes, sportsmanship means to play a fair game, और it is not important कि हम जीतते हैं या हारते हैं. It is not important that we win every game. But ये सबसे ज़्यादा important है कि हम कितने honestly वो game play कर रहे हैं. So that is good sportsmanship. So this was all about today. I hope you understood the exercises well. Thank you so much and have a good day.